Dear listener, you are listening the Factors Act 1948, Section 2M, Definition of Factory, whereon 10 or more workers are working or were working on any day of the preceding 12 months in any part of which a manufacturing process is being carried on, which the aid of power or ordinarily carried on. The explanation is that a place is considered as a factory when 10% utilize or involved for producing any products. It can be any manufacturing process. A manufacturing converting raw material into finished goods or next process. Say for example, there is a sari production company. They are collecting all the cotton from the farmers. There they are processing, and the processed cotton sent to the other places as a thread. Okay, so it's not an end product, but still it helps the production. So 10% involved for converting raw material into next level of production material for the better production. So you can consider any manufacturing process. There is a place of wastage is converted into another products. Say for example, we are utilizing a scrubber at home for washing the vessels. You can consider the place as a manufacturing process. So 10 or more persons preceding 12 months. The preceding means that a company started in the year June 2023. In the meantime, there are 5 employees left by October, but still the place should be considered as a factory, because the rest of the persons are working for the wages, where there is a relationship of master servant. It means that a person is giving time and effort to getting the wages. At the same time, an employer is paid to get the works done, so that he can make profit, so that he can deliver products with aid of power. So it can be small hut, it can be fenced places or compounded area, but still the place should be considered as a factory. There is one more explanation for it, whereon 20 or more workers were working on any day of the preceding 12 months in any part of which manufacturing process is being carried on without aid of power or is ordinarily carried on. 20 persons or 20 or more workers without even the place is considered without aid of power, they are involving any person for the production. The place should be defined as a factory. So remember this: 10% with the aid of power, the place is utilized for the production process, it's a factory. 20% or more persons without aid of power, but still the place should be considered as a factory.